This is a Happy's how-to in 60 seconds.
Take the back panel off, closes the terminal screws. We're going to use a hand tool instead of a screw gun, so we don't strip any screws. Cord comes through the hole at the bottom. Put the center one in the center on a 3-prong cord, and then the other 2 will just line up on the outside and you'll have no problems. Have these wires up, the eyelets, so the wires are up. Makes for a better connection. And just put your back plate, put your back panel back on, put your screw on, and you're good to go. That's a Happy's how-to in 60 seconds.